Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the default gateway is not available on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the resolution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum and a lot of users have confirmed that it works. Now they've given a list of commands, but I don't never use it. I have a very simple trick for it. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, click on network reset, click on reset now, and this will fix your problem. And after that, search for device manager. Obviously, after restarting your computer, search for device manager, open device manager, then expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth one, select uninstall device, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.